Hi guys, back with another video. And today I'll be teaching you guys on how to create your own intros, like my intro. So you only need this application, and it is called Intro Maker. So here it is. So I haven't updated it. So let me just update it. Don't worry, it won't really take a while. So this one makes makes intros for you for YouTube, and you can put any music you want. So yeah, it's taking so long. Let me just pause it. So guys, that took a while actually. I don't know why, but my internet is really slow. But yeah, it's already done. It's already installing. So now we can open it. Make awesome intros. So I already made the intro. It's already. You can already see it. You haven't finished. No, not now. So here is where you can create a lot of intros actually. So yeah, let me show you one. Let's pick something. So you can just download both of these. I don't know, but I only use this one, so it took a while. So yeah, to here is where you can edit the intro that you want. So here's the title. Okay, let me just put my name, Mr. Plays. You can create any details there. Done. Stay free. So yeah. Look. Oh wait, that's double. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put another one. Mr. Plays. All this paper, I don't know why, but yeah, there. Alright, it's kind of cringy, but then you can also put music or stuff. Let me put music. I don't know, but intro, you know. So not we can paint it. So I don't know what this is. You can also fade out. I don't know what is that too. And you can also turn on the volume high or low, but for me I make it like 50 or 40 because it's really loud. And when you're done, you will click on this. Check after you're done putting that, and you can now click that check button again. It will start exporting your video, the intro. I mean, so it won't really take a while. You can see it just take like 5 seconds. I don't know, I think.
Tala ang maaasahang loan app. Madali lang humiram. I-download ang Tala.
Sorry for that, but yeah, that's how you create your thumbnail. So that's all for today. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any videos, and goodbye.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one.